Hi students, I am Shapon sir from Arjabhatto Maths Academy. In this class, we discuss about the derivatives of the absolute value function. That means mod x. Y is equal to mod x. We know mod x equals to x when x greater than equals to 0 and mod x is equal to minus x when x less than 0. We have already discussed about mod x, modulus x in our modulus functions classes. So mod x is equal to x when mod x greater than equal to 0 and mod x is equal to minus x when x less than equals to x less than 0. तो जब ग्रेटर देन 0 और x लेस देन 0 ये दोनों रिजल्ट आ रहा है x और माइनस x. नाउ ग्राफिकल प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ mod x इज y इज इक्वल टू mod x मतलब x इक्वल्स टू 0. We have already discussed that mod x always represent the magnitude मतलब numerical value of x. So mod x is always positive मतलब y is always positive. This is the value of mod x. At x equal to 0 it is 0 and for any real value always mod x is positive for any real value of x मतलब 0 to plus infinity and 0 to minus infinity. We have already discussed it in our modulus class. Now in case of differentiation mod x does not exist. Mod x is not differentiable, is not differentiable, is not differentiable is not differentiable at x equals to 0. We will not discuss this on this chapter. This is a chapter of differentiability where we will discuss why mod x is not differentiable at x equal to 0. इस क्लास में हम लोग ये डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे कि mod x डिफरेंशिएबल क्यों नहीं है, इसका क्या लॉजिक है, इसके पीछे मैथमेटिकल क्या कैलकुलेशन, कौन सा मैथमेटिकल रीज़न है, ये हम लोग इस क्लास में नहीं डिस्कस करेंगे. हम लोगों को ये जानना ज़रूरी है यहाँ पे कि mod x 0 पे डिफरेंशिएबल नहीं है. 0 छोड़ के किसी भी नंबर पे x के किसी भी वैल्यू पे मतलब अदर देन 0 मतलब x नॉट इक्वल टू 0 पे mod x इज डिफरेंशिएबल. mod x इज differentiable. This is the important part. So mod x is equal to x when x greater than equal to 0 and mod x is equal to minus x when x less than is less than 0. This is the definition of mod x. But in case of differentiation d dx of mod x, it is not differentiable at x equals to 0. Not differentiable. It is not differentiable at x equal to 0. It is not differentiable. It is not differentiable. So d dx mod x, when it will be differentiable? d dx of mod x is differentiable only when x not equal to 0. So what will be the result? The result will be x by mod x. So d dx of mod x मतलब है x by mod x when x not equal to 0. now we discuss the formula with an example. Differentiate mod x square minus 5 with respect to x. So solution, let y is equal to mod x square minus 5. Now, on differentiating both sides, on x, we have dy dx is equal to d dx of mod x square minus 5. Now, the result is x square minus 5 by mod x square minus 5 into d dx of x square minus 5. It's a successive differentiation. So, x square where x not equal to रूट 5 के साथ इक्वल नहीं होगा, प्लस माइनस, क्योंकि एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 5 नॉट इक्वल टू 0, मतलब x नॉट इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस रूट 5. माइंड इट, x नॉट इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस रूट 5. सो दिस इज 2x into x square minus 5 by mod of x square minus 5, where x not equal to plus minus root 5. This is the answer. So I hope the students you enjoy the classes, and it will be helpful for you. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you all.